guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, and today is the day 2 of the Make 10K in 10 Days challenge. So I will be explaining to you exactly what I did on day 2 of the challenge. So if you are new here, my name is May and I accepted a Make 10K challenge. So my friend challenged me to make a 10K in 10 days time. So if you have not watched my day 1 video, I will leave the link down in the description box below, so do check it out. So without further ado, here is my day 2 video. So a little recap on day 1, I have managed to make a $50 on my day 1 challenge. So today I'll be updating you how much I made on day 2. Let's go to the video.
Hi guys, welcome back, and today is the day 2 of 10K in 10 days challenge. Just a quick update of last night. I made about $95 last night. So I had several sales that came in. So yesterday's video I mentioned that I made about $50. And last night is about $95. So total I have made $140. Yeah. So my aim is actually to sell more of bigger items like furniture. So I listed some like mattress, and as well as some kitchen items, which are kitchen cabinets. But unfortunately, I haven't seen any sales for the bigger items yet. Hence, today I did some I promote the listing. This is the first time that I do promotion for my listings. So previously the sales are mostly organic traffic. So yeah, so I'm hoping to put in more listing today, and I will list more of the bigger items, hopefully that I can sell more in order for me to achieve the 10K challenge. Yeah, because the things that I'm selling right now are mostly really very low price. So I'm doing a different approach today, and I try to increase my earnings by listing more bigger items. So that's all for the video today, and I will be updating you guys again tomorrow, which is the day 3 of the challenge. So wish me luck.
So that's all for my day 2 video. In total, I have made $140 for day 1 to day 2. So I'm really way far from the 10K mark. So I hope the promoted listing are able to help me to boost my sales. This is going to be my 10 days series. So I will be uploading every day from yesterday, and it will be a total of 10 days. So if you are new here and you have not watched my day 1 challenge, I will leave a link down below. So that's all for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!